Welcome back to another construction update. Today is Friday, July 7th, and as you can see over my shoulder, they're building the green on hole number 18. There's a lot of activity happening on the course right now, and you'll receive a schedule that we update every 2 weeks with the progress on the course. And I think you'll be impressed to see how much progress has happened just in the last 2 weeks. We're very excited about the course being well underway. We had a meeting with the contractor and architect this past Wednesday, and we remain on schedule and on budget for the golf course project. Also want to thank Mark's crew. We have Mark and Mitch and their crew who are out there working right now. As you all probably have seen on the news, or if you hear locally, it's in the mid-90s every day and well over 100 with the heat index. So big kudos to Mark and his crew who are out there working with the contractor. I've mentioned it before, but I'll mention it again. Our employees and the golf maintenance crew are working under the general contractor. That allows them to work throughout the entire project, and then the contractor actually pays us back for those hours. So it's a win-win both for us and for the contractor because the labor market is so tight right now. If we pan over, we can see in the bistro, they're in the process right now of tying in all of the storm drains. So you can see there's a large 36-inch pipe that's being installed right now. That goes into a big box that is going to be between the tennis courts and the new pool. I have had some questions about the new pool area, so we're gonna cut the tape and we'll regroup inside. All right, we're back inside in the air conditioning, and we're looking at a photo from a drone, compliments of our member Jim D'Angelo, who's been helping us with a lot of drone footage. And what we're looking at here, I wanted to show kind of the scale of everything. So you see the new bistro. You've got the roof now well taking shape, along with the dormers going into place. You can see the new staircase on the side, which replaces the old stairs that used to come down here, and that's the area that connects the two buildings. The interior space is where it'll be air conditioned, and this overhang is where it'll be undercover for seating. And obviously you see there's a lot of room outside here for tables, chairs, and umbrellas as well. What I want to focus on here is the amount of space that there is for the pool. So the pool fits right into this space. There's a zero entry that kind of wraps around the back of the bistro, between the fitness center and the bistro, and then comes down this way. With Chase Lounge seating across here, and the north and east side, as well as across the south side. We did shade studies. Somebody had asked me about that they thought because of the size of the new bistro that was going to create shade issues for the pool. And rest assured, in all of our due diligence, that a shade study was done to make sure that didn't have an impact. And as I said, the Chase Lounge seating wraps around the north, east, and south side. So in the afternoon, late afternoon, the shade will start to hit the west side of the pool. So that was all done intentionally. Okay, on the screen now you can see the incredible amount of truss work that builds the roof and the ceiling of the new bistro, where the dormers will provide light that come into that. It's going to be spectacular. Another shot here on the screen is of the underground work taking place inside the old bistro, which will be the new kitchen. We did run into some unforeseen conditions, which happens in construction. And as you can see, it's a bit of a mess right now, but I'm happy to say we have the right team in place to continue to move forward on schedule and on budget. I also wanted to remind everyone that we have live feeds on the website for the Bistro Renovation. There's a camera, two cameras on the back of the fitness center. One's kind of focused on where the pool will be, and one is focused on the new bistro. So you can check that out. In fact, on the screen right now, you can see that live feed. And you'll notice 3 large pieces of concrete. And that was another challenge that we ran into. Actually, it was one of our subcontractors that ran into the exterior tie beam. And we would not accept a repair. We had them remove 3 sections of tie beam. It had all new steel put in and was re-poured within a week. Which, if anyone knows construction, that is pretty impressive. But again, it's the right team tackling the challenges to keep us on schedule and on budget. We had an OAC meeting, which is owner, architect, contractor meeting, just yesterday, and we reviewed everything where we are at this point, and again, we remain on schedule to be able to open the 1st of January. To end this construction update, we're going to show some drone footage, compliments of Ashley. This is hole number 13 being grassed, as well as hole number 14, and this is a very exciting stage as we actually have grass going down. Again, kudos and thanks to everyone that's been involved. I mean, this process started well over 5 years ago with Tony Maglione and the Golf and Green Committee recommending that we work on a master plan for the golf course, and then came Kip Schultes that we worked with, and at the same time we were developing the plans for the new bistro. We've been dreaming about this for over 5 years, and now we are finally building it, and soon you will be living it.